it's Charlene here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am so excited to share with you guys my recent discovery. So as you can see, my hair is pretty damaged. I bleached it, I dyed it, and I keep on styling it using hot tools. But then for like at least maybe about 3 weeks now, I have been trying to avoid curling irons just because I feel like my hair is getting too damaged. But I don't want to go out with this frizzy hair, so I have been trying to find out what's the best way I could do to, you know, still style my hair but without heat. So if you're like me and you love curling your hair but you want to try and avoid damaging it further, then you should try these heatless curls that I've discovered. So I was watching YouTube and then I found this girl doing these heatless curls, and then I tried it and I was so surprised with the results. So what we're gonna need is this. So I got this from my old robe. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys would have robes at home, and this is like the belt that you put on it, like the robe that you put on the waist. This is the one that I've got, and I will show you how we're going to be using it, but it's very easy. And you're also going to need some elastics, your hairbrush. So what I've done is I put some water on my hairbrush and then I just used it to brush my hair, so my hair is not going to be super wet, but it's going to be damp. So I'm just going to brush my hair. I didn't blow dry my hair, so that's why it looks so much frizzier. I am just gonna part my hair like where I always do, and you can part your hair wherever you want. And what we're gonna do is just put this thing here like that, and then I'm just going to put this one out of the way. So I'll just wrap that for now and just do this. Now we're going to be starting from this side. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be wrapping the hair around this rope or belt, this thing. so I'm going to start here. So if you want it lower, it's really up to you, but I just feel like this looks so much better with higher curls. What I'm going to be doing is just wrapping the hair around this thing and then once I'm up to here, I'm going to get another section and combine it with the first one and then wrap it again. And then I'm just going to repeat the steps. So once it's already under, grab another section, combine them together, and then wrap them again. So it's like over and then under and then combine them and then over again. And I'm just gonna keep on doing this. And you want to make sure as well that you keep on pulling this one here, because if not, then it's gonna be loose. Once you've got all the sections from here, you're just gonna keep on wrapping it around. Then we're gonna be using some elastics to secure the hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna hold the elastics now, but it's alright. We can still manage that. Now I'm just tying it with elastics. So you can really leave it like that if you want, but if you feel like when you wake up this is gonna be undone, then you can just wrap it around once like so, or you can keep on wrapping it if you want, and then secure it with another elastic. I won't be wrapping it around, just something like that. So now I'm gonna go and do the same thing on this side. My dog played with this and you know what happened. So this is what it's going to look like after, and I sleep on my side, so I don't really sleep flat, but I don't think this annoys me as much as the other heatless curls methods that I've tried before. So as I was telling you, I've tried a lot of different ways to curl my hair without heat, and so far this has been my favorite. I feel like this gives me the best curls and doesn't make it hard for me to sleep at night as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. I'll show you how it's gonna look like after sleeping overnight. Good morning. So I am back and I am excited to see how these curls are gonna look like. Let me just start on this one first. I will just take off the elastics. I'm so sorry, my dog's being so noisy right now. She's playing with her toy, so excuse her. But alright, so I'm just gonna remove this and let's see if it still works. If you feel like your hair is not holding the curls nicely, then you can put some texturizing spray or like anything to prep your hair before you curl it, but I don't really want to do that to my hair because it holds curls. So this is the other side. Now I'm gonna do the right side. So do you see these curls? Oh, they're so nice. So what I'm gonna do now is just flip my hair and shake them a bit so they're not really as together as they look now. So I'm gonna do that now. So do you see how this looks like? I really like it, and don't worry if you don't like really tight curls because this will loosen up a bit during the day, so it's not gonna be like that. But if you prefer it like this, you can just apply hairspray or something, but I don't really like applying any other products to my hair because I want it to feel natural. So I want to be able to still do this, and I feel like my hair, because my hair is very damaged, it holds the curls. I just need to use a little bit of water on my brush and then brush my hair with it, and then it's ready to go. But yeah, this is how I do my heatless curls now. I'm really happy about it and it's so easy. I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed watching it. So if you know any other ways to curl your hair without heat, please let me know in the comment section below and I would love to try that. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I hope to see you all on the next one. Bye!